watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Spring Table Decor Trends in 2024, where we explore innovative centerpieces and DIY inspirations to enliven your home. Whether you're hosting an intimate gathering or simply refreshing your space, these ideas will infuse your dining experience with the vibrant spirit of the season. Embrace the outdoors. Transform your front porch into a serene oasis with a natural wood table adorned with pink flowers and pastel cushions. It's the perfect spot to enjoy morning teas or casual gatherings with friends, embracing the laid-back charm of spring. Rustic charm. Create a rustic elegance in your dining room with a simple wooden table adorned with white blossoms in vintage ceramic pitchers. Ideal for family brunches or intimate dinners, this setup exudes understated sophistication. Minimalist elegance. Elevate your tablescape with clear glass vases holding greenery and white flowers, complemented by pink candles for a pop of color. This chic and minimalist arrangement is perfect for sophisticated spring parties. Vintage flair. Add a touch of nostalgia with an arrangement of daffodils in an antique stoneware vase, embodying timeless elegance. This vintage-inspired centerpiece is perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of bygone eras. Terracotta textures. Embrace the warmth of terracotta pots adorned with white blossoms, evoking Mediterranean vibes. Grounded earthy tones paired with vibrant glassware create a refreshing look, ideal for leisurely spring gatherings. Burst of sunshine. Radiate happiness with a gingham tablecloth adorned with vibrant multicolored ranunculus flowers. Woven placemats and classic blue pattern china add a contemporary twist, perfect for joyful spring celebrations. Lemon fresh. Capture the zest of life with vibrant yellow blooms rising from a white lattice vase, accompanied by fresh lemons on a sky blue platter. This energetic centerpiece is ideal for lively spring gatherings or vibrant Easter celebrations. Rustic elegance. Picture a rustic wooden slice adorned with mason jars filled with delicate wildflowers, exuding country chic charm. This DIY approach to spring table decor adds an authentic touch of nature's beauty to any gathering. Floral elegance. Create a serene atmosphere with a collection of tulips surrounded by woven rattan chargers and delicate china with floral patterns. Soft pastel napkins and gentle sunlight add an aura of elegance and tranquility to your spring table decor dining room setting. Fresh and floral. Capture the essence of Easter with a dreamy setting featuring blossoming branches and speckled eggs. Reflect on new beginnings and the joy of spring with this ethereal arrangement. Modern whimsy. Embrace contemporary design with a sleek round table adorned with flowers encased in resin. This artistic centerpiece doubles as a conversation starter, perfect for modern homes seeking a unique twist. Festive and fun. Set the stage for a lively celebration with bright floral arrangements and playful napkins atop natural rattan place settings. Whether it's a wedding or a festive gathering, this vibrant setup promises joy and color. Citrus fresh. Infuse your table with zesty freshness using a clear glass vessel filled with lush green leaves and bright yellow lemons. This DIY centerpiece adds a burst of color and fragrance, perfect for spring gatherings. With these spring table decor trends and DIY ideas, you can create a dining experience that's as refreshing and vibrant as the season itself. Let your creativity blossom and transform your home into a haven of springtime beauty.